Hey guys, we are now cooking the ano,
We're now cooking the sauce of
The
seafood
buttered-
butter.
buttered garlic seafood.
Yes, yes. This is what we call the seafood. Yes.
Okay lang mo, guys.
Yun na, okay lang ma'am.
Okay lang tayo.
Yes, ma'am.
Kayo ha. Tama kayo sir ha.
Ma'am.
Nag-ulam na. Sige po. Yan na lang apon ang apon. Sige.
Look, this is what we call the egg sound.